You're watching the Alabama Weather Network.
It's Tuesday, the 24th of February. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather after this morning beginning to warm up. We'll see highs in the 70s by the weekend, and rain returns on Thursday. Let's check it out this morning. A lot of new data is in. Here's the upper air look, and it's a high amplitude pattern. Big trough on the eastern seaboard. Big ridge back over the western states. And we'll check the radar around the nation. The blizzard of night of 26 is over. It's done. The snow is ended for Cape Cod, the coast of Maine. It's moved out to sea. Thank goodness for them. Much of the country is quiet. Most of the precipitation is over Oregon and some of the adjacent states way out west. And indeed, it's a cold February morning. Look at the teens. Gadsden, 17. Cullman, 18. Hamilton, 19. A freeze all the way down to Gulf Shores, and these are not the lows this morning. We'll still see these numbers coming down by another degree or two over the next hour or so. Here's the watch warning map around the nation today. Relatively quiet. Got a few scattered winter weather advisories up north and out west. No thunderstorms around the nation today. The air is cold and stable. Tomorrow, maybe some thunder north of here. Much of Tennessee and Kentucky, over into the Great Plains. And on day 3, which is Thursday, there certainly could be a thunderstorm here, but at this point we do not expect any severe storms. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. This is valid between now and Tuesday morning of next week, and just about all of this will be Thursday and Thursday night. Rain amounts for the northern half of the state, around maybe a little over 1 inch. South Alabama, 1/2 to 1 inch. All right, model fans, here we go. European, OZ run, 3 o'clock today, northwest flow aloft, and a sunny day. And we start to warm up this afternoon. After the frigid start this morning, we're expecting highs in the 50s today. Tomorrow, highs go back in the 60s. South Alabama may be touching 70. The sky will be partly to mostly sunny. And then on Thursday, rain comes back, showers. Maybe some thunder. You can see the pressure field, not overly impressive. We'll check the instability, and there's just not much. This is the surface-based Cape. And again, you can see that the air is very stable on Thursday. That should eliminate any severe weather chance. Wind fields are so-so. And the STP is basically 0, significant tornado parameter. So again, showers and a few thunderstorms Thursday night. Not expecting any severe storms. And then on Friday, that front just slowly moves out of here. It looks like there still could be some lingering showers over South Alabama on Friday. North Alabama should be dry, and there's no cold air behind the surface front. Highs stay in the 60s and even low 70s on Friday. And hey, at this point, the weekend looks good. This is Saturday. And again, should be a partly to mostly sunny day, and highs will be in the 70s statewide. And if you like that, you'll like Sunday. Sunny with highs in the 70s. So at this point, the weekend looks very nice. Dry, very mild. What about Monday? Mostly dry. I guess maybe a shower near the Tennessee state line. And a week from today, this is Tuesday, the 3rd of March. Got a big old upper high over the Gulf nosing in here. And that will likely prevent any big rain chance. The chance of rain so small, we're not going to mention that Monday and Tuesday. And again, we stay mild, highs in the 70s. And highs will likely stay in the 70s all week. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday, the 5th of March. Got a trough back in the southwestern states, ridging here. And again, dry and mild. So really, after Thursday night and maybe Friday morning, the weekend looks dry, and most all of next week looks generally mild and dry, with highs mostly in the 70s. And obviously, with a pattern like that, snow lovers, our chances are fading fast. I understand we've had measurable snow here into early April, but this is the probabilistic outlook for 1 inch of snow or greater between now and the 10th of March. 0. So don't think we're going to see a repeat of the blizzard of 93, which was in mid-March. Of course, those things are generational. Here's a look at rain for the next 15 days. Again, this is between now and the 10th of March. The mean, it's the green line, a little under 2 inches. Temperatures coming off the NBM National Blend of Models. Here comes the warmth after a cold start this morning. 50s today, 60s tomorrow. Highs around 70 Thursday and Friday, then 70s for the weekend and all of next week. And the latest long-range guidance, 8 to 14 days out. This is for March 3rd through March 9th. Temperatures stay above average across the Deep South and much of the contiguous United States. Still watching that buildup of cold air in Alaska, though. And man, oh man, Central Park, New York City yesterday, as the blizzard was winding down. Goodness gracious. I'll post a list of the snow totals, but many locations were over 2 feet. New Jersey, Long Island, New York, up to Boston, Cape Cod, the coast of Maine. And this was one they'll be talking about for a while. There's some analogs to this in the Great Blizzard of 1978. So again, that's almost 50 years ago. So these things don't happen that often of this magnitude and this intensity. And they'll be digging out of this thing for days, if not weeks. Again, this video was taken in Times Square yesterday. And really at that point, the blizzard was kind of winding down for New York City. More video from Central Park. But they're buried all the way down to Delaware and eastern Maryland, all the way to the coast of Maine. But again, that thing is over, which is probably a happy day for them. But again, it's going to take a while to dig out. All right, today going to be in Guntersville. Got a homeschool group. Then after that, I'll be at Pelham Ridge Elementary in Shelby County. Tonight, I'll be at the Club in Birmingham for a Taste of Birmingham, a ministry fundraiser there. Tomorrow morning, got a homeschool group in DeKalb County at Crossville. Thursday, going to be in Geneva County, Mulkey Elementary School in Geneva. Then I'll be in Conecuh County at Reed State Community College in Evergreen. Then I'll be in Clark County at the Thomasville Public Library Thursday at 5 o'clock. This is a hurricane prep meeting. I know hurricane season's still a bit away, but it'll be here before you know it. That'll be at 5 o'clock at the Thomasville Public Library. It's absolutely free, but they do ask that you register for that. Friday, I'll be at DeArmonville Elementary School, Oxford City School System, for a program there. Friday night, I'll be in Sandestin to speak to the Southeast Carrier dealers. And then Saturday, right back to Birmingham, I'll be speaking at the Key Club State Convention that will be in Hoover. So busy days ahead. I will be on ABC 3340 News this evening. And don't forget, you can catch my forecast every day on great radio stations around the state, including in Birmingham 98.7 KISS. Thanks for watching. Have a terrific Tuesday, and God bless.